The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. My people, never judge a book by the cover. Yeah? Never judge a book by the cover. See? And I hope that someone learned something from that video that I just presented to you. See? Yeah. Now I'm going to say much about that video. I'm going to move on to another video. Alright. Big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. You see? Now I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. Now, heavy rainfall that caused floodings within New York City, that is within the United States of America, on the 8th of July, the year 2021. And I saw different videos posted on social media that shows different parts of New York City that had flooded due to heavy rainfall on that day. Now, I'm going to present to you one of those videos so that you can have an understanding as to what happened, at least at one of those places within New York City. Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Alright, so dear avid viewers and subscribers, you know, the video that is about flooding that happened within New York City, that's within United States of America, on the 8th of July, the year 2021. Alright, now, I am going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show a person impersonating Vybz Kartel. See? And in my point of view, the person tried to sing some of Vybz Kartel's song. See? Yeah, and the reason why I said that the person tried to sing some of Vybz Kartel's song is because the words and the pronunciations was not really accurate. As I say, yeah, the video shows this person and other persons as well. Viewers and subscribers, the person was somewhat entertaining, and this video is being talked about on social media. Some persons on social media found this video to be funny, you see? Alright, let me know what you think about this video, and remember, this person is trying to sing some of Vybz Kartel's songs, so some of the words used in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Skilla, big man scream like Angela. Only scale lock me up like Mandela. You man heavy up like umbrella. From water house go water pillar. With a boss on capital Balatakila. Non for gun for the Balatakila. When I try this Tiffany man, a real bad man. Boss I bag a sample still bad man. Beat the youth you a baby bad man. Beat up a girl you a lady bad man. Them boy they have people like Batman. Bring one side man a gangster. They put them put one side way. Put them on sacks up here. And if you want to put it running two backs up here. If I'm not telling you, we roast up if you're right. Women are telling you. DJ pull up that DJ pull up.
You cartel. Next cartel. Your spice cartel back to back.
Make me fly with a visa. Cigarette coke is just so good. I am just a ganja man. Makes me fly with a visa. Don't give me cocoa no.
Next cartel. Mixtape.
Play me a cartel again.
Read incredible like green light code. Pick up like the green light code.
Hello, give a man a hug. Give a man a hug. You
I was thinking that, yeah.
Alright,
one feel like us. Because you know, make a kid of feel like us. When we roll up a street, we feel like up. Right up the weed, oh yeah. Got nothing there, you have to go, okay. Next
cartel.
New ways up and down like a yo-yo. Train up like a go-go. Give me the go-go, wine ya. Give me the go-go, wine ya. Wine your waist like ya, no slide in a gypsy. Give me the go-go, wine ya.
Next cartel again.
Next cartel. Next cartel, let's do us.
You have to catch me now, it's like Tony Montana.
Lock it up, all boss. Yo, where you come at, all boss? You come at in jail, you come at prison already, all boss?
Yeah, just come at prison, man.
All boss, you no touch road, all boss?
Yeah.
Why is the move cartel?
Right now, we just looking to burn some hubs and get high and more lyrics.
And drop more tune cartel?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Bumbleclad. Cartel, what's saying cartel? How much you charge me? How much you charge me for a collaboration cartel?
When I'm up to much, man, just a little 500, man.
500 cartel?
Yeah.
US or pounds?
About 1,000
500 US, man.
A 500 US?
Yeah.
Alright, cartel, me go link your management and well love it thing, you hear? Give me the cartel off one time before me go.
Don't do that. Come down with the cartel laugh.
Me and you and me, KISSING. Then me and you under the tree, FUCKING. I want to go, then we kill you know, FUCKING. Yeah, me QUEEN, so me, and you KING. The first time body go up in the arm, I wake up, but good morning, sir. There is a breakfast, watch it before Mr. Stop. Baby remain as you were. Me no waiting, I bet that no, I can't come in now, come baby now, kiss it out, but I like the way, like it right there. The turn backward, let me get the enter the center. Me and you and me, KISSING.
Wall boss people. Live in direct.
Young panic like jail. Me have stand like Tracy McGrady. Tight panic like a lady in the Navy. I am no meeting and I have no baby. Now they don't come become quickly. I will just have to get the boy quickly. But I will set them to get the family. You could have dead. You have a family. You could have dead. We come on the place.
Cartel, what advice? Since you committing incarceration, Vybz cartel and they imprisonate you for wrongfully accusing Lizard. Did you kill Lizard cartel?
Well, Lizard was shot and killed, but it wasn't really me who actually shot him. I just not more this crime.
So, why are you saying Vybz cartel? They wrongfully accuse you.
Yeah, they wrongfully accused me.
And so, you're planning to sue the state and collect $millions cartel?
Yeah.
So what big collaboration you have in the world right now? You want Skilly Bang do something, you want what doing in foreign? You want who doing something in foreign? Nicki Minaj?
Right now, I'm just something with Spice and I'm just something with Nicki Minaj and I expect to have a new album coming out now.
Vybz cartel people, the real and living colors. Vybz cartel, but how come you end up Grenada Vybz cartel and Jamaica prison? You was walking there Vybz cartel, but you coming with?
Well, they just give me like a time out, so we say,
you come Grenada? Alright. Any advice for the youth before I go Vybz cartel? Dealing with music Vybz cartel?
But I want you to keep on the crime and violence because I say it's no good.
Thank you, Vybz cartel.
From cooking and them jokes and them.
Give me a positive Vybz cartel, man. Give me one for the mothers. You know the one for the mothers?
Yeah. Mama, my mother that she love me. Mama,
Thank you, Vybz cartel.
she love me.
Pick up yourself, Vybz cartel, man. What do you think? Glad to meet you in a real life, Vybz cartel. Blessed up. The one and only people, Vybz cartel that. I let them see. Yeah, man. Vybz cartel. Before I go, you going back in
Yo, the man say this over Martin.
But hold on, Vybz cartel. One thing we know, when you're going back home to your baby mother, Shorty, I hear she on you. You going back home to her?
Yo, Shati, I'm a girlfriend still. Spice, I'm a girlfriend. Lisa Hype.
Who again, Vybz cartel?
Everybody have your girlfriend.
Gaza Slim, Gaza King, and you know me have a whole girlfriend.
So I hear
me have no girl in my catalog. This is no girl in my catalog. As I get spin out to Pacamag, no girl in the catalog. Chanika no Nika, no girl in the catalog. Nika no Nika, no girl in the catalog. As I get spin out to still at the Pacamag.
Man! Hey, you need to come studio. Lock up.
Alright, here's the subscribers. That person entertaining. For real. Him entertaining. In my point of view, I think he's entertaining. Tell me what you think. You see? Yeah, even though him have some of the words than Carrick and the pattern of the song we must sing, some of them the canic and all them things, but he can't go on, him entertaining. You see? Yeah, those persons just a laugh and a laugh and a laugh and a jeer man and a bootsy man for doing things. See it? Anyways, big up and respect to that person. You know, I'm entertaining in my point of view. You see it? Yeah, somebody gonna left it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. And big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.